Hey folks, welcome to week number 2. Okay, so number 1, watch the week 2 video. You're doing that. Look over the plagiarism materials. This is going to be actually a pretty big project. So, there's a link called Did I Plagiarize? There is a test that I need you to do here, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and open this up in another window. It'll load in a second here, if all goes well. When you have done the tutorial and complete the test, you can submit a screenshot. This can just be a PDF. You can do a quick lookup of how to do a screenshot on your particular kind of computer, but that should be pretty easy. Okay, let's take a quick look. I'll take you over to the University of Southern Mississippi's page and show you that tutorial real quick. So they go through a number of details here. What is plagiarism? How to cite your sources. I'm not so concerned about this because we'll go over that in class. Works cited, quoting, couple quizzes. Paraphrasing and summarizing, I would definitely pay attention to. And then there is the test at the end here. It's pretty simple. 10 questions. Hit submit. Once you've hit submit, it'll show you all the answers. All you have to do then is print your screen and submit it to this Dropbox right here. Okay? So however you want to make sure that I can tell that you did it is fine with me. Okay? Easiest way to do it is probably just to print. If you just go in your web browser and print as a PDF and save it as a PDF, that'll work. Okay. If you have any questions about citations or plagiarism after you're done with this, you're like, you know, this didn't seem clear to me. They said this. I'm not sure about that. Go ahead and post them in this discussion board, and I'll kind of follow this discussion board throughout the course of the semester. We'll keep it going all semester long. And any questions you guys have, put there, and I will be glad to take a look at them. Okay. Now, the next part. Complete the paraphrasing and quoting exercise. So, got 2 worksheets this week. First one's on paraphrasing and quoting. There's an assignment here, and if we go in, it will give you some direction. So, all I need you to do is, from the scholarly article you're using for Essay 1, we picked that out last week, choose 2 passages. Quote 1, working it into the context of additional sentences, and paraphrase the other. Again, putting it into context. Use the paraphrasing and quoting template. I'll show you that in just a second. And color code the source text or ideas just to make it easier to see what's integrated. Okay, there's a sample. Okay, so the template's here. That is a Word document. If you can't open a Word document, man, I'm not sure. I've got a ton I can do to help you. The sample is here. The sample's in PDF format. And so you can see what I've done. Let's put the quote on this side and then my stuff on the other side. So the dark blue, my words, and the red are the source words for the quotation. And then for the paraphrase, my words are the dark blue, and the red is the paraphrase. Okay, that's the information I took from the source. So it's just a sample so you can see how it works. The template is identical. It's got quotation, paraphrase, source text, my text. I think it should be pretty basic. So the idea behind this is really just you understand the difference between paraphrasing and quoting and can practice a little bit. That's the Dropbox for that assignment. Okay. Now, down to Essay 1 prep. Again, we've got an assignment down here. Now, I will tell you that these 2 articles are the ones I use for the sample in the paraphrasing quoting exercises, and I use them as in the sample here. So if you want to read these, you can read them. We'll come back and actually do a little bit more work with these 2 articles later on this semester, so you'll end up reading them. But if you want to read them just so you can see what I'm doing here, that'd be great. However, it's optional for the moment. We're going to take a look at the assignment. Okay, so using the template below and using the popular and scholarly article you chose for Essay 1 from last week, okay, again, off that list, or if you went and found your own, that'd be fine. I want you to explain the research question or the goal of the popular and scholarly article, how the study was conducted, and what the specific results were. Again, there's a sample we can take a look at. Cool, so we're back here, and again, like last time, there's a template and then the sample. Great. And I'm not going to go into a ton of detail on this, but for the popular and the scholarly source, there's the stated goal, a research goal or question. Okay, what are they trying to do? The study design, how they talked about that, and then the results. Okay, not surprisingly, the results in the popular article are a lot thinner than the results in the scholarly article, which kind of goes on for a little bit. But you can take a look at my example here to sort of help you understand what to do. Cool. And then finally, last little bit here is look over your MLA citation information, which is buried at the bottom all the way down there. No work to do with that, but that'll prep you for writing the essay, which is, of course, next week. Okay. So again, not a ton of work, a lot of small pieces again this week. All right. If you've got any questions along the way, any of the samples aren't clear, you're struggling, get in touch early, get in touch often. Okay. Good luck. Talk to you soon.